I was sent a set of 3 chain necklaces. They come in this really pretty bag, and then inside, they're in another bag. So they are stainless steel, and these are the 18-inch ones. So you can wear them singular, you can wear them stacked, you could get different sizes and then do more of a layered look to them. And let's open it up. They have a 4mm width on them, and then the clasp is a lobster style clasp. So it should be easy to use. I like the colors. So this is the black one. Very, very easy to put on. And then there's that 18-inch length right there. These are unisex, so guys and girls can wear them. Here's the beautiful gold one. I'm gonna go ahead and put all 3 on. And this is going to be the silver colored one. You can tell they're really sturdy and have a really good design to them. Okay, so that's all 3 together. You kind of have your mixed metal colors. Because they're all 18 inches, they do line up with each other. So I do recommend if you want to do a layered look, I'd get a few different sizes so that you could do a shorter, a medium, and a longer one. But this is nice if you want to wear all 3 together, or if you just want to wear one at a time. Now you have 3 different options for doing so. Very pretty necklace. I think you'll like them.